Hi guys, and welcome to the new channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect an RGB fan into the CPU fan. Let me just show you. So here you can see this is our fan and it has 3-pin connector, and here on our motherboard there's a 4-pin port to connect, which is for CPU fan. If you want to replace your CPU fan and you're facing the same issue, let me just show you how you can fix this. So here we go. Now all you have to do is connect your 3-pin connector here and leave the 1 pin on the motherboard. Let me just show you how you can connect it. Just leave the first pin and plug it in the other 3 pins, just like this, and that's it. Now let's check it. Let me turn on my PC. Here we go. So guys, you can see it's working. So that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.